I feel smarter already. This looks so nice.
I don't know, we have enough rooms in the Braille house. We're like this.
Oh. Hey you guys, I'm here today with my Australian spy, Aussie Dan.
I'm a spy?
Yeah, you're a spy. So we have a very special video for you today. I wanted to start a brand new series. We've done a lot of series where it's like you send us a board that you made or we skate something crazy that we buy somewhere. We've never done a series where we have made grip tape out of weird things. So I thought, what could we start with? Oh yeah, candy. So right here, I have a 5-pound bag of Nerds, Wonka Nerds. And we're gonna see if we can get this Gorilla Glue spread out on the skateboard and get enough Nerds to coat the grip tape and make some Nerds grip tape. So I'm gonna leave the craftsmanship to Dan on where he thinks we should start. We also have Skittles. So we're gonna do Skittles next week as episode 2, but I figured Nerds, they're small. I feel like they would have some grip-tastic tendencies. And that's not a word, but I just invented it. Hey Nigel! Hi! Look at this. I've never seen a setup more professional. These are kind of nice. I'm gonna do something real quick. Might make a lot of people angry. Do you want any Nerds before I stick my whole hand in there? That was a no. Oh my lord. Oh god. Dan, help, help, help. It's gonna spill. Oh, there we go. I feel smarter already. What? Because they're Nerds. Oh. Alright, so after about 15 minutes, we set up the board. Oh, wow.
Just go.
Whoa. I think we might need to use the whole bottle. We gotta be like quick with this. Oh, yeah, we need a lot more. Keep it coming. There we go. That looks pretty good. Alright. And that is how you waste an entire bottle of Gorilla Glue in 3 seconds. Should we just start going?
Yeah.
Oh, oh. Let's do this. We're running out of time. This is so scary. Ah, why did we not do this outside? This looks so nice.
Ah.
There you go. Get right up in there. Dude, success. That looks amazing. This is crazy. They're stuck in my shoes. Here you go. Ready?
Oh.
Oh my God, this is the most legit thing we've ever done. I've had my hands all in there, dude. Look at this. That's legit. Whoa. Hello, Dan.
What? Want some Nerds? Oh, we want to do this one now? I don't know, we have enough rooms in the Braille house.
We just put a bunch on the top to like see if we can get more to stick. So I would get all the loose ones off first to avoid as much mess as we can.
Oh, we're like this. Oh! Is that what you meant? Is that what you meant by avoid the mess?
Yep.
What do you think this is? Let's take this old school. Let's ride it around, ride it down the banks. Oh, the Nerds are everywhere. I mean, the good thing about the Nerds is they don't stop your wheels, right?
I think they just get crushed. Whoa! Whoa, Dan, it's solid!
Ready? This one's for you, Mowgli. Oh boy! Who wants to get in on that?
First try! Dude, they are on there solid!
How does it feel?
Let me see. Can I feel? Dude, that is on there.
They should really make grip like this too.
Yeah, actually, straight up.
Ow! It's got a Nerd
Look
to
at
the
that.
chest.
The
Whoa, Aaron, look at this!
The grip tape effect.
Come on, Mo!
I gotta do an impossible. I'll give it one more and I'll pass it over.
You know, come on.
Go that way.
You know how to do it.
Go that way. Give me a good angle.
A lot has happened. I grew up and I cut my hair.
I cut my hair. He's human.
I got it.
I think Blue has finally realized that he can eat them.
Are you eating them, dude? He's like, I don't do sugar, I'm on keto.
Got it.
I don't know if I could do it. The trucks might be too tight.
Woo! Can I get a heel flip?
I mean, if you can, is the question. He wanted that first try so bad. He wanted that first try.
The trucks are really tight.
Yeah, boy. Woo! Good job, boy.
Heavy, huh?
Just nerds flying everywhere.
Oh! I have a nerd in my shoe.
Now that we got that out of the way, let's see if we can do a regular tray flip. Whoa, boy.
Dang. Hey, it's good, huh?
It's pretty good, yeah. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Mission success then.
Such
We
great-
built it.
Gorilla Glue.
Let me at it. Gabe thinks we should turn this into a whole series. He says, candy grip tape. I don't have a name for it, but I think we should address it. Leave it in the comments below. It's not up to me, it's up to you.
Blue, do you like the nerds?
Those are not food, they're candy. You can only eat that.
Wait.
Do our noses look the same? You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
Oh! Bodied.
I got it.
What's your favorite candy, Aaron?
My favorite candy? Gummy bears.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
I love them. I
Okay.
love anything gummy, to be honest.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have seen that.
Oh.
Count it!
When I was a kid, I used to take the blue sharks and I would squeeze them, and then I would lick the blue shark, and then it would splinter off and cut in half. It's one of my favorite things to do as a kid.
Uzi, what is your favorite candy?
Twix.
What is your favorite candy?
Sour gummy worms.
Gummy, it's the gummy crew.
Mowgli, before you were vegan, what was your favorite candy?
They're called Bostons. They're just red, and there's peanut. It's coated red candy, and it's just like once you bite it, it's like peanuts inside.
Very nice.
I don't know what it's called, but it says Boston something.
If you know what it is, leave it in the comments below.
Yeah, it comes in a box.
I agree with you, Uzi. I love Twix. Dang, our poor grip tape. Oh, it's still hanging in there. All right, go ahead.
Just getting shredded.
Keep going strong.
You don't need wax, you need nerds!
Body!
Dude, I'm full with candy. That was crazy.
How many tries this dark slide take, Mowgli? Leave it in the comments below. Hashtag notification squad. We'll choose one winner, send you a special prize package.
Going now. I get stuck, and I go, and I get stuck.
It's almost so slippery you can't even pop off.
Yeah, it's getting there.
It's really nice not going straight to the 3 block for a video.
We'll give it to him in a minute.
You know, I think Uzi should ollie the 3 block in this video.
It was like a powdered nerd dust. You got an ollie? I don't think he can ollie it. He can only hard flip it. Okay, right here, I'll Venmo you $5.
$5.
He won't land it, then I'll up it to 20, and then he'll land it.
Yep.
Okay, Venmo, $20.
Oh.
Is that
Literally just
Is
moaned.
that a noise he made?
Jeez.
Can we get that? Can we get a rap song made out of that noise, please?
Hey, one last one, double or nothing.
Oh, boy! Contest make! Let's go!
If you land primo one more time.
I love how he rolled away like this. Like he planned it. Oh wait, Gabe, I got a good idea. It was
wanna-
everything I dreamed of and
You want
more.
to mess with him while he's doing his trick?
Who, Mowgli?
Yeah.
No?
It's getting hot in here.
We believe in you, Mowgli. We believe in you.
That was it.
already lost.
I'm not gonna go easy today.
Don't go easy. Not today. Was that a switch flip or a regular kick flip?
Regular.
I didn't know we were counting things that rolled on the ground. Just kidding, just kidding. I'm just kidding. I can't nollie flip this board.
Aaron's beat me twice this week. One off camera and one today. I need to come back strong.
Yeah. Don't call it a comeback. He's got heel flips, and I don't. Yeah. I almost called a lifeline and subbed in Aussie Dan for that trick.
He was looking at you too, like, I gotta go hard on him. There's no easy no more.
All right, Aaron, time to kill.
Nollie, dude. Oh, I loved he missed that. Deja vu. Hospital flip on point.
All right, this is for reals. I ain't playing no more.
Pretty.
I gotta take him out.
Dang, girl. What you been eating? I hurt every bone in my body. Nerd in my shoe. Leveled up on Skyrim. Wait, what are we at? Who's got what?
You got T and I got S.
What?
That's how it's gonna go down.
Should I just do the varial hill and take him out on his own trick? Never again. I already did front shove. Oh boy, SK.
It's at 8, right? Oh, you're out. Now you're out.
Bring it.
You're out there, but you're out today. This feels like a repeat from the unfilmed game. This is bad.
How do you let this happen to yourself?
Dude, that has no grip. My foot slipped off.
How do you let this happen to yourself?
What do you mean?
I can't believe that you made him redo his nollie big spin after the freaking nollie flip you did.
Dang it.
I'm not going down today. I'm not.
Wow. Oh. Dang, like a real Bakersfield man.
This is bad. You flicked to the corner, right?
Oh, don't, you go.
Smoker, you got it.
That's SK.
This is bad.
SK?
All tied up.
What do I got?
SK. We're only
Wait,
playing
are we
SK
only
8.
playing the 8?
Yeah.
We're only playing the 8?
Yeah.
We're only playing the 8. All right, that's fine with me.
This is bad. I hope he messes up.
I won't do my Tony Hawk special move. Don't worry.
No one saw, but my heart just dropped. Oh.
Okay, I mean, now we're gonna get real.
He laughs because of his game now.
Whoa, body. Give him an 8 for that.
You dug your own grave, Mogs.
Girl, you're so fine.
It's gonna have to end soon. It has to.
You really
I
got
had to just wussied out.
Get this scrub out of here.
Alright, post show, I got you.
Gangsta, straight televised.
Dang.
I don't need no 2 tries for that. Come on, 2 chains.
Not even close.
Nah, what? That was bad. Here we go. Go ahead, Gabe Gate. Let it in.
Giving me flashback to McNugget.
Thanks, I knew. Yeah, can't do that.
I got you, AK.
I need to set up for a minute.
Hashtag justice for McNugget. Right here for all the
He says right here.
One more try.
It's getting crazy out here.
I'll never breathe again.
Reminds me of those 2 games, actually 3 games of skate that he's lost against me. Aussie gate.
This really is the end of the game. This is the most disappointing I'll be.
I did it again.
Yeah,
We're
you were
playing
good.
gentleman's game. That was good. Thing about Mowgli is he's on it when it counts. You know what I mean?
Craziest game I've played in a while.
And we're only playing to 8. Who'd have thunk it? Why can't I just stay on that?
Today, I'm gonna win.
That's gonna get to me. I want to get a good one, just a real good one. Go, it's your turn.
Alright, Aaron.
I thought that was a redo, but
Why?
no, it's fine.
Gabe said it's a redo. Okay, let me get this trick.
If there is somebody out there that watches Braille, please make a Braille anime intro and I'll Venmo you $20.
I don't know if I can do it. Maybe I should just give up.
Do you have anything in your pocket?
Nope. Just love. I don't care. I'm taking it. What should we skate on next? Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes, you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Get all your skateboarding gear at brailleskateboarding.com. We got everything you need.